Hello everyone, my name is Rohit Dhodi. Today the topic my presentation personal growth laboratory in stress. Definitions: stress is a sum of biological reactions to our physical, mental and emotional condition tends to disturb body natural balance. Stress also defined as a state of highly unpleasant emotional caused by overload, fear, anxiety, and anger, all of which threaten both individual performance and teamwork. Stress for Success by Dr. Peter Hanson. A certain amount of stress is good because it keeps you alert and prevent complacency to relax. Example: racing driver, Olympic runner, flight assignment, example, exam, etc. Sources of stress: physical stress associated with environment, heat, noise, lack of oxygen, vibration, low immunity. Psychological stress: physical condition, example, failure, fatigue, lack of physical fitness, illness. Psychological stress: social or emotional factors, example, death of in the family, divorce, sick child, demoness, and also related to mental workload imposed and overload such as analyze problem, negating decision making, loss of essay effectively respond. Major cause of stress: physical stress, noise can cause stress as makes for us difficult to contract contract concentrate and focus. Lack of oxygen: it can cause stress because it makes our use uncomfortable and difficult to breathe normally. Poor visibility: due to heavy fog, lack of stress as it hard to see everything anything in front of us. Poor lighting can cause stress because it is difficult to read technical data and manuals. Physiological stress related with body condition, lack of the sleep and fatigue. The pilot is unable to maintain performance standards for long periods as he struggling to stay awake. Flying when unwell, resulting in the body using more energy fighting the illness and hence less energy to perform vital tasks. Not having proper meals also result in not having enough energy and induce symptoms like headaches and shaking. Psychological stress: financial problem such as implementing bankruptcy and loans and to pay. Materials problem due to divorce or strained relationship due to persistence, quarreling, interpersonal problem with superiors and colleagues, and due to miscommunication or backstabbing. Stress. Too much stress or strong response to stress is harmful. It can set you up journal good health as well as specific physical or speci- physiological illness like infection, heart disease, or depression. Persistence and unhealthy stress often leads to anxiety and unhealthy behaviors like overeating and abuse of alcohol or drugs. Emotional status like grief or depression, and health condition like an overactive thyroid, low blood sugar, and heart attack, and can also cause stress. Type of stress. Stress is a stress can harness better performance and provide incentive for evaluation personnel to achieve the task, to train harder, to improve their standards, to become the best in their job. Distress, on the other hand, affect people by sink them down, causing them to lose focus during time critical tasks in their area of work, leading to accidents. Stress management, health and fitness program, regular exercise, improve tension and sleep, relaxation technique, medicines, self hypnosis, progressive musical relaxation, and mentally imagery. Thank you.